प्यारे बच्चों, आपको पिछले दिन लेसन 9 वीमेन एंड रिफॉर्म्स के बारे में पढ़ा रहा था, जिसमें वाई सो मैनी रिफॉर्मर्स फोकस ऑन द वीमेंस क्वेश्चन. नाउ अगेन सी इट इन द वेस्ट एंड द स्टेटस ऑफ वीमेन. वेस्ट मीन्स पश्चिमी देशों में या भारत के पश्चिम में. The status of women was upgraded by condition generated by the Industrial Revolution, humanitarian movement and the women's movement for equality. In India, however, the change was brought about the social reformers who began to view the problem as humanitarian one. The human custom like sati, child marriage, forced widowhood, fable, infanticide, etc. demanded a humanitarian movement. Early reforms like Dwarkanath Tagore, Raja Ram Mohan Rai, etc. strove to convince the countrymen that sati was not sanctioned by religion. Similarly, Ishwar Sen Vidyasagar worked with the government to legalize widow remarriage. They also believed that social reform should go hand in hand with the educational opportunities. The young Bengal movement supported the cause and rights of women and emphasized female education and equality to all, especially women, in the social edifice. The Ramakrishna Mission laid emphasis on the humanism and quality of women and their education. Now, look at the page number 58, case study, the work of reforms in Bengal. कहते हैं जो वहाँ बंगाल में महिलाओं के सुधार के लिए कार्य किए गए, उनमें से किस प्रकार से यहाँ बताया गया है वो देखें. इन द अर्ली 19th century, इंडियन सोसाइटी वाज रिफ with the oppression of women and human practice like infanticide, sati, etc. Some educated Indians were deeply influenced by the liberal philosophy of the West based on rationalism and humanism. They felt the urge of removing the irrational social and religious practice. This led to many radical reform movements. Raja Ram Mohan Rai belonged to an educated and respected family of Hindu Bengal. He was a scholar, religious and social reformer, educationist, journalist, led a polyglot. In 1828, he founded the Brahmo Sabha, a group of progressive thinkers which was renamed as Brahm Samaj in 1830. He undertook the task of social reform and condemned the dreadful practice of sati. To him, this inhuman practice was nothing less than a grave crime which ought to be condemned and obliged. He created a strong public opinion against the practice. Later, he urged Lord William Bentinck to abolish the sati custom and make it punishable by law. He also raised his voice against the solution of women polygamy, child marriage, female infanticide, and the pleaded for education of women and widow remarriage. After the death of Raja Ram Mohan Rai, after the death of Raja Ram Mohan Rai, केशव चंद्र सेन, केशव चंद्र है, केशव लिखा है इसमें, केशव चंद्र सेन ऑर्गेनाइज्ड अ न्यू समाज called the Brahmo Samaj of India, Brahm Samaj of India, which exercised great influence in the struggle for social reform. It encouraged the education of women, campaigning for widow marriage, remarriage, and legislation to prohibit child marriage. फिर ध्यान दें, हिंदी में सुन लें। राजा राम मोहन राय लॉर्ड विलियम बेंटिंग के सहयोग से सती प्रथा का अंत करवाया था। और सती प्रथा क्या है इसके बारे में मैं बता चुका हूँ। जब कोई स्त्री का, किसी भी स्त्री का पुरुष भगवान को प्यारा हो जाता है, ऐसी स्थिति में उसकी डेड बॉडी के साथ वह स्त्री अपने प्राण को आहूत कर देती है, बलिदान कर देती है, उसे सती प्रथा कहते हैं। सेल्फ इमोलेशन with the dead body of her husband is called sati custom or sati pratha. Now look at the point of view ईश्वर चंद्र विद्यासागर। अब विद्यासागर ने क्या किया? ईश्वर चंद्र विद्यासागर ने कौन सा रिफॉर्म किया वो देखें। ईश्वर चंद्र विद्यासागर was a scholar, reform, rationalist and humanist. He was a staunch supporter of women's education. He helped to establish the Vaithun School, the first Indian school for girls in 1849. He set up 35 schools for girls. His greatest contribution was to the cause of widows, uplift, and girls' education. His efforts were appreciated by Governor General Dalhousie. The Widow Remarriage Act 1856 was brought about by the efforts of Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Henry Louis Vivian Desrosiers. Henry Louis Vivian Desrosiers was a contemporary of Raja Ram Mohan Rai. He was deeply inspired by the revolutionary ideas of liberty, equality, and fraternity that had led to French Revolution. At the young age of 17, he became a teacher in Hindi College at Kolkata. He encouraged radical ideas among his students and attract a large number of followers who were known as Desrosiers. He brought about an intellectual revolution among them. He organized the Young Bengal, an association of students who launched the Young Bengal movement. They advocated for emancipation of women, eradication of social evil, and promotion of women education. Thanks.